like ghosts, firefighters, or kittens, or toast. Halloween time, trick or treat time. Spooky monsters and mummies too, black cats and witches with hats and brooms. It's Halloween time, trick or treat time. Haunted houses and skeletons, big old bags to put candy in. It's Halloween time, trick or treat time. Boom! It's Halloween time, pumpkins and goblins and spooky hay rides. Boom! We can dress up like goats, or wizards, or bunnies, or ice cream floats. It's Halloween.